Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. God bless. Gcash mo na yan.
Hi, happy birthday. This is Angelique Kang, your Viva artist. Enjoy your day and more auras to come. Ayan. God bless you and hope to meet you soon. Hi, it's Ayana Misola. Happy birthday. I-enjoy mo lang yung araw mo and more birthdays to come. Sana invite mo ko next time. Ayan. Happy birthday!
Let's do the lato-lato dance.
Yeah, we will never be the same. Looking back at the past, all the lessons that I learned every fall.
俺はまだまだ強くなれる。アシュラばっけに。亡者の戯れ。
I'm loading up my clip, got a plan for tonight.